Hi everyone and welcome back. In this video I am going to show you how to bypass Windows 11 password. If you forget your Windows 11 or Windows 10 password, in this video you will learn how to bypass it. I forget the password of this Windows 11. For bypassing Windows password we need two software, Refuse and reinstall. Open your favorite browser, search for reinstall, hit enter, open this website, reinstall, select download, scroll down. Here is HBCD PAX64 ISO. Download this software. This software is around 3 gig. I have already downloaded reinstall. Open other tab. Now search for Refuse. Open Refuse website, scroll down, come to download the latest version, download Refuse 0.412. It is the latest version. When you download these two software, close your browser, come to download. Now here I have these two software, Refuse and reinstall. In this step we need a USB flash drive 8 gig or above. Plug in USB flash drive. Here double click on Refuse. Yes, USB is detected by Refuse. Click on select. Find the HBCD ISO you download before. Open. You don't need to do anything extra. Leave everything as default. If you want, you can change this volume level. Then click on start. Okay. Now wait a few moments to create high range bootable. When it has finished, close it. Now come here, unplug your USB, again plug in. You will see this extra flash on the USB. It means your USB flash is ready. Plug in your USB flash drive on the system you want to bypass the password or you forget the password. I want to bypass this Windows 11 password because I forget the password of this Windows. Now press the shift key and hold in, then restart your system. Please wait. Okay, make sure to hold the shift key. Then you will see this page or this screen. Here select troubleshoot, advanced option, find UEFI firmware settings. Here restart your system. In this page select USB drive, use arrow key. When you select a USB drive, hit enter. Loading files. It will take a few moments to load all files. It is the same like normal Windows. Come to start, all programs. Here come to security, password. Here we have different tools for resetting password. I want to use the first one, password recovery. Reset Windows password. Next. Yes. Next. Here I want to reset the admin user. Next, click on reset unlocker. The password reset successfully. Okay, finish. Restart your system. Now you will log in on Windows without any password. Guys, I hope you enjoy from this video. If this video is helpful, like this video and subscribe the channel for more useful content. Have a good time. See you soon.